right? So this is similar to problem 3.3.31 on your homework. And the problem says find the derivative of y equals x to the 8th times e to the x. Okay, so here we have two functions being multiplied together where neither one of them is just a simple constant function. So that means the rule that we have to apply is the product rule, right? So we've seen the product rule before. This is the rule where you take the derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second times the first. So let's look at that. So y prime is going to look like the derivative of the first. So applying the power rule, that becomes 8 times x to the 7th times the second function without taking the derivative of the second function for this first part, and then plus the derivative of the second function. Well, e to the x doesn't get changed when we take a derivative, so that's still e to the x, times the first part without taking the derivative of the first part. So we have 8x to the 7th times e to the x plus e to the x, x to the 8th. Now, if you wanted to simplify that, you could notice that you can pull out an x to the 7th, e to the x from every term, and then you're left with 8 plus x, right? So that's another way of writing the answer. But yeah, that is the solution.